I'm Joshua Clement with Leidy Contractors. Today I'm going to show you how to remove surface rust from stainless steel. What causes surface rust on stainless steel is water that has been stagnant, and it's actually a buildup or oxidization from the water and the metal. This is very easy to remove if you catch it in time. For this, you're going to need a couple items. A white vinegar and some steel wool. Take your white vinegar, put a little bit in the bottom, your steel wool, just start scrubbing the sides. Now, you want to make sure that you get the vinegar over the entire area affected by the surface rust. You might want to let this set for about an hour or two to make sure that it can start getting in there and breaking apart anything that is stuck to the side. Now, letting it sit might remove some of the work or the elbow grease that you actually have to put into it. After you're done, wash out with warm water, and that's it. I'm Joshua Clement with Leidy Contractors, and that's how you can remove surface rust from stainless steel.